Wow, that's a huge green area by the reservoir there. There's a free campground up ahead. We might be able to wait out the fires. Should be a safe spot. Such a pretty spot. Beautiful weather as well. You can see that on the other side everything has burnt. But since this is sort of the river side, and this little hill survived, but behind it the bigger hill is completely burnt out. The temperature is very pleasant, not too hot, not too cold. The wind sometimes blows cold, but it's lovely. So I filmed our camping spot at this lake last night, and now this morning we wake up and it's so smoky we can't even see the lake. There's like mobs of kangaroos surrounding us everywhere. There's about 6 mobs of them all around, and yeah, it's so smoky, it smells like smoke. So there must be more fires here in the Kosciuszko National Park happening now. I haven't checked my app yet. Yeah, that's quite the change from yesterday afternoon. I'm guessing these are all the escapees from the fires. This is a very large number of them here. Now they're escapees from me as well. Can't see the lake at all, it's right there. I wonder how many kangaroos this is, because they're under those trees on the right as well. There's at least 100 here, I would think. It's good that they found a safe spot by the lake here. Hopefully it will remain safe. Look at it. Oh wow, that's more than 100. I'll try and zoom in, even though my zoom is kind of crap. But yeah, you can see them. So many. Lucky they're fast enough to escape. The poor koalas are not. Okay, I've made myself sad now. I'm gonna go have some breakfast. Smoke is finally dissipating. This is the next afternoon. So yesterday was all completely smoggy. Today slowly the smoke has been blowing away. We're going into town for supplies now, but might come back because this is a lovely spot. And look at all these kangaroos right next to us. They've been here all day. Lovely. Look at this wind! We were just relaxing and suddenly we nearly got blown away. This is some extreme weather happening. Oh, and it's starting to rain again. Out of the fire, and then the rain starts and keeps going and going, and our back door is leaking. This tarp didn't help. Now we're gonna need to put the tarp over the roof and fix it with magnets.
Can you hold this umbrella?
Yeah, because yeah, look how much water has dripped, and it's still dripping. So apparently the tarp isn't helping much. There's still water dripping. I've put like a microfiber towel to try and catch it. And then this side, there's also water coming from somewhere and dripping down. So yes, not ideal. Gonna have to figure out what's causing it. But we do have a beautiful view with the windows open.